In a world filled with distractions and temptations, it is crucial to recognize the existence of an unseen adversary who seeks to lead us astray. Satan, the hidden enemy, operates through cunning and deception, employing a range of tactics to ensnare unsuspecting souls. Unmasking these tactics is essential in the battle to safeguard our spiritual well-being and discover the truth that lies beyond the veil of deception. Unmasking Satan's deceptive tactics, the hidden enemy. Satan's deceptive tactics are multifaceted, designed to lure individuals into a path of darkness. He capitalizes on our weaknesses and exploits our vulnerabilities, skillfully disguising his true intentions. From sowing doubt and confusion to promoting self-centeredness and pride, Satan's arsenal is vast and formidable. Unmasking these tactics allows us to become aware of his presence and actively resist his influence. Examining the battle for our souls, unveiling the truth. The battle for our souls is not a mere metaphorical concept, but a stark reality. Satan relentlessly seeks to steal, kill, and destroy. Understanding the gravity of this battle is crucial, as it compels us to actively engage in the fight to protect our spiritual well-being. By unveiling the truth, we can break free from the clutches of darkness and discover the light that leads us to true fulfillment and purpose. Satan's cunning ways, a closer look at deception. Deception is Satan's primary weapon, and he employs it with great skill. He presents false ideologies, distorted truths, and appealing shortcuts that divert us from our spiritual journey. By distorting our perception and blurring the lines between right and wrong, he aims to trap us in a web of lies. Through careful observation and discernment, we can gain insight into his cunning ways and safeguard ourselves against his manipulative tactics. The sinister game, how Satan preys on vulnerabilities. Satan preys on our vulnerabilities, targeting our deepest fears and insecurities. He capitalizes on moments of weakness, tempting us to give in to our desires and forsake our moral compass. By exploiting our frailties, he aims to lead us down a path of destruction and despair. Recognizing and addressing our vulnerabilities is paramount in resisting his influence and fortifying our spiritual defenses. Guarding our souls, the importance of spiritual vigilance. In the battle against Satan's deceptive tactics, spiritual vigilance is of utmost importance. By remaining alert and aware, we can identify the devil's disguises and prevent his influence from taking hold. Equipped with the knowledge of his cunning ways, we can develop strategies to overcome his snares and protect our souls. It is through staying one step ahead, recognizing and resisting Satan's influence, that we can find strength and ultimately triumph over the hidden enemy.